Hey everybody, it's Alex from Hannemann Ironworks here, and today I have a package from JT Barrett, also known as Jeff, over from Drason's Forge. So I'm going to get right into it with my nice Leatherman. This was a gift from my grandfather one Christmas quite a while ago, and this thing's razor sharp, so I'm just going to cut right into it. Like a charm. So I have some nice bubble wrap here, right here, and it's wrapped in this nice cloth, or I think this is a shop towel. This is something I purchased from him. It's what you guys all know and love. It's one of his awesome copper badges. I got a super awesome price, hard to beat, but holy cow. Look at that thing, it's beautiful. That's a blown up image of my touch mark. It's got the anvil with my signature H in it. If you guys go check out my touch mark video, it'll show you exactly what my touch mark is. But this is one giant image of my touch mark, and I think it looks great, Jeff. Thank you so much. I'm definitely going to wear this very proudly. And I'm not quite sure what I want to wear it on, or if I want to mount it to something for now until I get an actual apron. Because my current apron's only a half apron. I'll go grab it and show you guys. Alright, so here's my apron. It's just a half apron. So you guys can see I just got some leather scraps from a local craft area. And I just kind of assembled them. It's very crude, but it's leather and it works. So I'm not sure if I want to put it on this. I'm not sure if this is even worthy of having Jeff's awesome badge. But I took one of these old belts that's like a 2D ring system that just tightens when you pull. It's like that, it's on. This is just kind of keeps dirt off my pants, and if I got coal dust, I just wipe my hands off on it. I'm not sure I want to put Jeff's nice, awesome, shiny badge on it right now, but when I find, a great apron or something, it's definitely going right here on my chest, just to wear it proud. But for right now, I think I'm going to keep it on display because it's so beautiful. I'll drop a link to Jeff's channel in the description down below and in the top right corner. Make sure to go check him out if you haven't already. Yeah, so here's the awesome plate that I'm going to keep on display until I get an awesome apron that's worthy of his awesome plate. Remember, go check him out. And with that all being said, thank you guys for watching. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.